Let's factor these using the method of inspection. So by that what we're talking about is take a look at the middle number and take a look at the number to the far right. What you want is two numbers that will add to give you 13 but multiply to give you 30. And if you take a look at how you multiply to get 30, you have 1 times 30. You also have 2 times 15. You have 3 times 10. You also have 5 times 6. And 6 times 5, of course. Now, which one of these combinations will also give you 13? Well, in this is probably your best bet because that's a positive 30 and that's a positive 13. So, working this one out in the first bracket, you're going to have x plus 3 and x plus 10. You can always check your work by foiling this back out and seeing if you get the original. Next up, we've got x squared minus 13x minus 30. It's always important to keep in mind the signs. This time around, we've got a minus 13 and a minus 30. The only way you can get a minus 30 is if you have a positive number and a negative number being multiplied together. Considering this one right here is negative, the negative number is probably going to have to be the bigger one. So again, let's take a look at the ways you can get 30. It's going to be 1 times 30. You're going to have 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6, and 6 times 5. The only way you're going to get negative 13 is you have a combination of a positive and a negative, and this one's probably your best bet. So, for example, if we had negative 15 plus 2, that should give you a negative 13 when you add those two together. Putting this in the brackets, that means you're going to have x minus 15 and x plus 2. That's how you're going to get that. Next up, we have x squared minus 11x plus 30. Now, this is a positive 30 and this is a negative 11. So you're going to have something that adds to give you a negative 11, but multiplies to give you positive 30. The only way that's going to work is you've got a negative times by a negative, and that will give you a positive. Now, keeping in mind all the factors of 30, 5 times 6 will give you 30. And if they're both negatives, that should give you 30 as well. So in this case, you're going to have x minus 5, x minus 6.